Becoming an affiliate marketer is really simple. Becoming a successful affiliate marketer is even simpler when you have an effective strategy. If you break it down into 3 steps, or what I like to call the top strategy, which is 3 foundational phases of traffic, offer, and people. Traffic is the idea of picking a topic, what most people call a niche, or a problem that you have a solution for, which is content that you create that becomes traffic. Now, the best example for creating traffic or laying the foundation for traffic is to create a YouTube channel. Once you start creating content in the form of videos that provide helpful content that directs people to a solution, which is your offer, then you start getting traffic. Here in the case of views, if you were to go down and look at the lifetime of this channel, you can see that just like everyone, I started at 0 and then slowly built up a traffic source, which again is the first step in the top strategy. When we're looking at 3 simple steps or the 3 foundational phases of building a profitable online business. Then we move into the idea of an offer. An offer, you go to Amazon, there's tons of products that will solve the problem or become the solution for the people that you are creating the content for that are the traffic source. Amazon Associates, very simple, sign up, recommend products, and earn commissions. Another great or another good resource for finding a good offer, a product that solves a problem for people as you create content, would be over at Gumroad. They have the same idea here, becoming an affiliate Gumroad. To get started, it's very simple. You do just like you do over at Amazon. You log in, you create an account, and you grab your affiliate links, and then you provide those links to the people. That again, if you go back to the top strategy, the people are going to be the people that are going to see your offers, which are the products, your affiliate links, or the products that you found on Amazon or Gumroad, and the link or the traffic or the topic or the content all happens in this first foundational phase of creating traffic. Again, utilizing YouTube and building up a subscriber base, or as you see here inside of Google Analytics, if you were to build a blog, it's the same process. You start off at 0, you start creating content in the form of blog posts, and then you slowly start to see traffic. As you can see here that I've started with the blog that is the partner to this YouTube channel. Now go back to this top strategy and understand just how simplistic this is. Top stands for traffic. This is simply content. Content in the form of YouTube videos that address a problem, solve a problem, and the ultimate solution is the offer or the product that you found over at Amazon or in Gumroad in these examples that I've showed you. And then you start building groups of people. You build groups of people as an audience on YouTube. You build groups of people as an audience that find your blog post, typically doing a Google search because they have a problem. So they go to Google, they search, they find the answer by clicking on the link. They go to your blog, they read it. They're like, yes, this solves my problem. I'm going to click on that link. And again, it goes back to finding offers. We looked at Amazon, we looked at Gumroad. There's also things like ClickBank. They have over 4,000 products on the marketplace. They have health and fitness, self-help, e-business, home and garden. And then they even break it down for you. And they let you know the 10 best weight loss affiliate programs on ClickBank. So then you can go through these products and you can say, do these products, if I was to create content, would these products that are being sold on ClickBank actually help the people that are part of my audience? So I can take a look at the content that ClickBank has created and follow what they're doing, because they are doing just like what I've told you that you need to do, what I do. They're following the top strategy. They are creating traffic based upon creating content, or based upon the idea and the action of creating content that becomes traffic when people find that content. And then their offer is their affiliate marketplace and all the products that you can promote as an affiliate through the ClickBank marketplace as an affiliate marketer. And then they are doing the same thing that you're going to be doing at the end of the day. They are going to be building groups of people. And the recommendation for that is to do email marketing. So you can see how all of these simple steps have come together. And it's a simple strategy, 3 simple steps to become an affiliate marketer. How to become an affiliate marketer. You end up with all of these components, an email list, which inside of the top strategy is a list of people that you can then follow up via email and send them back to the offers that you found either on ClickBank, Gumroad, or Amazon, and I showed you in these examples. And then for traffic to lay the foundation of the top strategy, step 1 is to create a YouTube channel or create a blog. It's just that simple. To become an affiliate marketer, follow these steps. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. There's a link in the description that shows you exactly how I do this. You can follow along with the top strategy the way that I implement it. I show you inside of my online businesses that are profitable, and the steps that I used or the top strategy is all inside of there. Link in the description. And if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later.